Alright guys, today is Sunday and I'm gonna go visit my garden at the backyard. Here's Ama. Galing daw siya sa Ilawod. Alright. Punta ako sa likod bahay to visit my tiny garden. There. And kita nyo naman ang aking kamote tops. Look at that, green leafy. So it's I think 2 weeks since nung tinanim ko siya and meron na siyang ogbos. There. Tapos ang aking kangkong. Look at that. Those tiny leaves. Yay! Siguro 1 week or 2 pwede na ako mag-harvest. Harvest? So galing ako dito kanina para dilig-dilig. Sana all nadidiligan. Oh wow! Look! May tumupong mushroom. There. So. Meh. Wow, look at that guys. Those tiny umbrellas. Here's at the back there. Maingay ka, me. Wait lang. There. Look at that. Ito pa. Ang cute. Hindi pa masyado lumabas. Baby. Kahapon, doon naman sa kapitbahay namin, may tumubo din sa likod bahay nila na ganito. And ang dami ah. Wow. Ang cute. Meron pa dito isa. There. There. Nagtapon ako ng balat ng apple at saka ng papaya. Bigla ko silang nakita. So that's all for today. Thank you.